Mathematics 3. Solve problems involving rounding numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, or thousands. Q1 Week 7, Day 4. I. Round each given number to the indicated place value. How do we round numbers to the nearest thousands? Rule: rounding to the nearest thousands. Look at the hundreds digit, the digit to the right of the thousands digit. If the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We leave the digit in the thousands place unchanged and replace the digit in the hundreds, tens and ones place with 0. Look at the hundreds digit, the digit to the right of the thousands digit. If the digit in the hundreds place is equal to or greater than 5, equal to or greater than 5 means 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We add 1 to the digit in the thousands place and replace the digit in the hundreds, tens and ones place with 0. Importance of selecting the appropriate rounded numbers in some situations. Situation 1. Marie wants to buy a bag and a pair of slippers. Can she buy both if she has 700 pesos? Let us use round numbers to know if she can buy both items. Find the actual amount. 485 plus 158 equals 643 pesos. Round each price to the nearest hundreds. 485 will be round up to 500 pesos. 158 will be round up to 200 pesos. Estimates. 500 plus 200 equals 700 pesos. Round each price to the nearest tens. 485 will be round up to 490 pesos. 158 will be round up to 160 pesos. Estimates. 490 plus 160 equals 650 pesos. Ali can buy the two items if she has 700 pesos. Situation 2. What if the prices of the bag and the pair of slippers are as indicated? Can she buy both items if she has 500 pesos? Let us use round numbers to know if she can buy both items. Find the actual amount. 424 plus 129 equals 553 pesos. Round each price to the nearest hundreds. 424 will be round down to 400 pesos. 129 will be round down to 100 pesos. Estimates. 400 plus 100 equals 500 pesos. It seems Marie might think she can buy both items with 500 pesos based on the estimates. However, the actual cost is 553 pesos, which is greater than the estimated amount of 500 pesos. Therefore, Marie cannot buy both items with only 500 pesos. Round each price to the nearest tens. 424 will be round down to 420 pesos. 129 will be round down to 130 pesos. Estimates. 420 plus 130 equals 550 pesos. Marie cannot buy both items with 500 pesos. If Marie has 550 pesos, she also cannot buy the two items because the estimated amount of 550 pesos is still less than the actual total cost of 553 pesos.